Well, hello there. This is Business Prime. My name is Kelvin Nyakundi. Let's get you informed. Now, micro, small and medium-sized enterprises are embracing artificial intelligence to improve customer experience and satisfaction. The Institute of Customer Experience, ICX, has collaborated on this through training by offering programs focused on customer experience and professionalism.
It's twofold, is to assist with AI development in the country. This is why I have my colleague here, Professor Logi, who's also a professor at a university in Sri Lanka, and to assist with the export of work from, well, actually the import of work from Europe to Kenya.
But one thing that we'd like to announce here, something we already discussed as the two organizations, is that the first 100 applicants and those who will do very well, if those first 100 do very well, we already have opportunities for job placement. So that is one thing, as we speak about this particular course, we should talk about.
So the course that we are planning to offer in Open University of Kenya is an 8-week program followed by 4 weeks of lab and a hackathon. So we start from the basic, a person who is heard about AI but not too much familiar of AI can join. At the end of this course, they will be able to develop their own solution, deploy, host, and they will be able to do that thing to the industrial standard.
Now, guided by the national goal for